During my time making and faking Season 1, I became pretty good at using cardboard.
I'm still not sure if I'm the real Latte.
At this point, I'm not either. When I found you in the beginning...
This is a required monthly test of the Emergency Alert System of Arkansas. This is only a test. Had this been an actual emergency, the alert ones you just heard would have followed by a message, official instructions and/or news regarding a certain situation. Remember, this is only a test.
What?